Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am again in front of you with the lecture of class 9th. Today in the lecture of class 9th, I will solve the exercise 6.2 ncert lines and angles. I have write down these first two questions of your ncert. The first question is in the first figure. Find the value of x and y and show that AB parallels to CD. You have to find the value of x and y and show that AB parallels to CD. So let's do the question. How to find this x, and first of all y is equals to 130 degree. What is the reason? Because vertically opposite angles. Okay, so these are the vertically opposite angles. So that means both are equal. Vertically opposite angle are always equal. Okay, so the y is equals to 130 degree. So this is one of the angle. Now second is x plus 50. X plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. Reason is because linear pair. For the linear pair, the sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree. So I have 180 degree. The sum of these two angles, x is equals to 180 minus 50. This comes on the right hand side, become negative. X is equals to 130 degree. That means x is equals to 130 degree. This implies, and after that we can write it as x is equals to y. Both are 130 and 130 degree, and you have to show that AB parallels to CD. How you can show that? X and y become alternate interior angle. These form alternate interior angles. Okay, so this implies AB parallels to CD. That's why these are the both angles which are equal and form the alternate interior angle. So this is the way, the simplest way. I have always opt that method that are very simple and the student can easily understand. Okay, so this is the one of the simple method. Come to the second solution. How you can solve second solution? In the second solution you have to prove, you have to show that, you have to find out the value of x and y. No, you have to find out the value of x. In figure 2, AB parallels to CD and CD parallels to EF is given. Y and Z ratios are given and you have to find the value of x. How you can find the value of x? I will write down the second solution. First of all, let y is equals to 3k and z is equals to 7k. Usually we will take it as, if the ratios are given, we will take it as 3x, 7x. But here we should not take it as 3x and 7x because x is already given. So you have to suppose 3k and 7k. Okay. So first this 3k and 7k, this is y and z, and this is alternate. We can write it as vertically opposite angle. So angle 1 equals to y because vertically opposite angles. Okay, opposite angles. Why we have to suppose angle 1? Because I will take the sum of these two. That angle 1 plus angle z is equals to 180 degree because co-interior angle. If two lines co-interior angles are those angles which are present in the same side of two parallel lines. So these are the co-interior angle. The co-interior angle possible only in parallel lines. So we have the sum of these two angles. Y is equals to 1. Y and 1 both are equal. Y is equals to z is equal. Y plus z equals to 180 degree. Now I will take the sum of these two, which I have supposed. 3k plus 7k is equals to 180 degree. That means 10k is equals to 180 degree. So what is the sum? The value of k is equals to 180 divided by 10. After cancellation we get 18 degree. Now after getting the value of k, I will put the value in y and z to get the value of y and z. So y is equals to 3 into 80, that is 54 degree. And z equals to 7 into 18, that is 126 degree. So these are the value of y and z. Now come to but we have to find the value of x. X and z, these two lines are parallel lines. That means x is equals to z because alternate interior angle. So I will take the concept of alternate interior angles. So how we can solve? X is equals to z because alternate interior angles. Interior angles. Okay, so I will take the value of z. Z is equals to 126 degree. This implies x is equals to 126 degree. So this is the way to find the value of x by using the concept of alternate interior angle. Okay, so now come to the question number third. Third and fourth, both are, third, fourth are also very simple. Fifth, sixth, all the questions are based on the alternate interior angle, corresponding angles, and that's all. Now come to the question number third. What is the question number third? Third is if in figure AB parallel to CD and EF perpendicular to CD and angle GED is equals to 126 degree, find three angles. First of all, AGE, second GEF, and third is FGE. These are the three angles, and the diagram is given as two parallel lines, one perpendicular and one is another line. Okay, so these are the two parallel lines which is given to you. How you can write the name? This is A, G, F, B. And here C, E and D. So these are the angles which are given to you. First of all, I will check which angles we have to find out. We have to find three angles. First is AGE. This is the AGE. This, and the second one is GEF. GEF. We have to find this angle. Okay. And the third one is FGE. FGE. So this is the third angle which we have to solve out. So we have these three angles to find out. Now our full concentration on the given angle, which is the given angle GED. This is the full angle which is given to you 126 degree, and EF perpendicular to this, so that means its angle is 90 degree. Okay. First of all, find AGE because AB parallel to CD. Okay, because angle AGE is equals to angle GED because alternate interior angles, right? Alternate interior angle. The angle AGE is equals to 126 degree. So this is one of the angle. Now our full concentration on the AGE. GEF, okay, angle GEF is equals to angle GED minus angle FED. FED is equals to 90 degree. This is 126 minus 90. So what is the value? 126 and 90. That is 6 and 3, 36. So angle GEF is equals to 36 degree. This is the second angle which we have to find out. Now come to the third angle, FGE. Angle AGE next is plus angle FGE is equals to 180 degree because linear pair. Okay, in the linear pair the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree. This is 126 which is given to us. We have to find this angle FGE is equals to 180 degree. Now angle FGE is equals to 180 minus 126 degree. After subtracting 180 by 126, so this is 7 and 5 54 degree. So angle FGE is equals to 54 degree. So this is the way to find these three angles. Very simple method to solve. Okay, by using alternate, by linear pair, we can easily find this question. Now come to the third. That's the fourth question. Fourth question is also very simple. How we can solve, how we can find the value, that is also very simple. So I will write the statement for you to understand the question fully. Okay. So I will take the statement. Fourth is in figure if PQ parallel to ST, angle PQR is equals to 110, angle RST is equals to 130 degree. Find angle QRS. You have to find the angle QRS. The diagram is given as in the way these are parallel. P, Q, this is R, this is S, and this is T. Okay, this is 110 and this is 130. So we have to find the angle QRS. QRS. To make this angle very simple, we have to find the angle by using very simple method. So what is the simplest method? You have to construct a line parallel to these two lines. So I have to construct a line. This is L. So write down the construct a line. Solution. Write down the construction. Construction is construct a line. Draw. You can also write it as draw a line RN parallel to ST and PQ, because one line which is parallel to ST, that is also parallel to PQ, because these two are parallel which are given to us. Okay, so this is angle 1. Angle 1 plus angle 130 degree is equals to 180 degree, because co-interior angles that are possible only in co-interior angles are possible only in parallel line on the same side of the lines. The angle 1 is equals to 180 minus 130 degree. So what is the value of angle 1? That is 50 degree. So this is the value that is of 50 degree. So how we can find angle PQR? Angle PQR is equals to QRL, that is QRL. This is QRL. That means angle PQR is equals to 110 and QRL. The reason is because alternate interior angles, right? Angles. Now for finding QRL. QRL. It is the sum of QRS plus angle 1. It is a combination of these two, QRS and angle 1. So how we can find? I will put the value of QRS plus angle 1, that is 50. 50 is equals to angle 1, that is 110. So I will write 110, angle QRS is equals to 110 minus 50, that will equals to angle QRS is equals to 60 degree. So this is the way to solve this question. This is again I will take the only help of alternate interior angle and the co-interior angles. Okay, so these are the two co-interior. By using this we can find one angle, and by using these two we can easily find QRS. Okay, come to the fifth question. The fifth question is also based on these simple questions. So I will write the question number 5th. Fifth is also very simple like this, all these questions. Question number 5th. Very simple. In figure is given to you, that is find the in figure AB parallel to CD. Okay, and angle APQ is equals to 50 degree, angle PRD equals to 127 degree. Find X and Y. Okay, so these are the two lines and one triangle is given to you like this. This is C, this is D. This is A, P, B. This is C, Q and R. 127. This is 50 degree and Y. This is X. And you have to find the value of X and Y. So how you can find the value of X and Y? Very easy and simple to simplify. First X is equals to 50 degree because alternate interior